All right, you have your new house. What comes next? The whole stress and excitement of the transaction can be overwhelming at times. And then your move is going to be, could potentially be chaotic too. You got to pack up your entire apartment or house or wherever you're moving from and bring it to your new place and start unpacking. But there's a lot to think about as you move forward. Really look at, making sure you have the right insurance coverage for your home and you're protecting that asset that you've spent so much on. In a lot of cases, your agent may have negotiated a home warranty for your home, which helps give you additional protection, especially for older homes. This can be really helpful to have in place. You're establishing your new routines and your new life. It could be in a new area or just your new setup at your new house. These are all things that you're going to work through next. And your agent's not gone. They're still your agent. They are still there to help you and support you. So if you have any questions or problems that arise, be sure to reach out to your agent because they want to help you. So even though the transaction closed, they're not gone forever. And you may look for other opportunities in the future as well. So interest rates are higher now, but you're considering a potential refinancing in a few years when rates are different or when you have a different financial situation for yourself. That could be something to look forward to in the future as well. You could be looking at remodeling, or you could be looking at potentially having additions to the home. And if you have any questions on that, be sure to reach out to your agent. They're really knowledgeable in these spaces. And if they don't have direct experience in an area, they're likely to know the right parties to help connect you with, to give you maybe a referral to someone who does exactly what you're looking for, like finishing out your basement. So definitely stay in touch with your agent. They are your partner, not just for this transaction, but for whatever you need in the future as well.